I'm Dave Williams, owner of Dave Style Windows, Doors and Conservatories. We offer a wide range of services here at Dave Style Windows, Doors and Conservatories, from just single door installations to full houses of windows. We can prepare new openings for bifold indoors, and we also convert old conservatory roofs with warm roofs. That's very popular at the minute. Here at Dave Style we have a different approach to selling windows, basically cutting out the middleman. You'll deal with myself from day one, from measuring up, surveying, sales. There's no hard sales, there's no sales reps. The price we give you is the price that you'll pay. There's no hidden costs. Pricing wise, I think we're very hard to be beaten on price. We have little to no overheads. Like for instance, this job we've done here for Jenna, she was quoted by another big company out there, I won't mention who it is, but she was quoted £47,000 for this job. We've done it for a fraction of the price of that. Obviously every job is different size windows, styles, colours, but we generally think we can't be beaten on price. And more importantly, quality, because at the end of the day I'm here installing your windows. I want the job to be right. So with every job comes a 10-year guarantee. We can upgrade that to an insurance back guarantee if the customer wants a bit more peace of mind. But rest assured, you will be looked after any job personally by myself. So I've been in the industry for 20 plus years, starting out at one of the pioneers for the double glazing industry at St Helens Glass. I've worked for all the big companies over the years, and when the biggest one of all went bust, liquidated, it finally gave me that push to do it myself and start my own business, because I knew what I could do. So if you're looking for any home improvements, there's numerous ways that you can get in contact with us. You can visit our Facebook page where there's lots of content on there, jobs that we've done, recent jobs, services we would provide, or you can contact us on 07814 723 206. There's also a website at davestylewindows.co.uk.